Hey beautiful people, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are all doing wonderful. Welcome to another segment of Mornings with Michelle. Today I am drinking some green tea with Fiji apple and ginger. Yes, I'm drinking it out of a wine glass because I like drinking drinks out of wine glasses. And to be honest, I'm out of dishes. So I got a request to do a video on how to find your personal style. I am in no way a fashion guru or anybody who's even slightly educated on fashion, okay? There was a point in time when I really wanted to get my own personal style. Like I wanted a look that I can go into a store and I can pick a couple pieces, it'll go with everything in my closet, and I'll feel very confident and beautiful and sexy in whatever I'm wearing. So this video is just to give you an idea of some ways you can start to kind of figure out what your personal style is. This is something that could be like broken into 5 different videos. I don't want it to be too long, so I'm just gonna kind of browse over how to get going. So if there's something very specific that you want a video on, then just let me know and then I'll come back and do a video on it. Let's go ahead and jump on in. The very first thing I'd suggest for you to do is go and look in your closet. Look through all of your clothes and just figure out what the theme is. Do you have certain colors? Do you have a certain style of clothes that you normally wear? For example, do you have a ton of jeans and t-shirts? Or do you have a lot of dresses? And that's normally what you probably are attracted to and feel the most comfortable in. So if you have like a ton of loungewear, you don't necessarily have to go exploring your personal style. Like your personal style might be kind of like sporty and in that category, and you can just kind of like expand and wear cute loungewear, wear loungewear that can be like something you could wear going out. You can kind of just expand from there. But if you have just like a bunch of random stuff, there's no theme, then you're definitely gonna have to do some work. As a woman, there are so many things that can go into your personal style. And that's a good thing. You have a lot of options on what you want to focus on. You can focus on your hairstyle. You can focus on your clothing. You can focus on shoes. You can even go into like makeup looks. And of course, there's like accessories like gloves and scarves and glasses, hats. These things can drastically change your outfit. And so you don't have to like have a preference in every category. Like me, I barely ever wear hats. That's not something I'd really even want to dabble in unless that's the look that I was going for. Now you can think about that already. Like think about, what do people compliment you on? What do people notice about you? What is something that you love about yourself? Which body part do you like to accentuate? Is it your eyes? Is it like your hands? You can wear like lots of rings and necklaces and jewelry. It wasn't until about 2 years ago that I figured out my personal style. Like I completely redid my wardrobe, and in starting, I had to figure out what vibe do I want to give off? Regardless of what I have on, what is the aura that I want to give off when I walk into the room? And for me, that's classy, clean, put together. Regardless of what I'm wearing, I want to always look like that. I also prefer block colors. So if I can wear black, every day I'd wear black. That's my favorite color. My second like most desired color on me is this dark green, like emerald green color. I love this color. I love gold accents. So that's like the bright color on me. So normally you're not gonna see me with like bright clothing, bright shoes. The only thing bright will pretty much be my hair. So that's like what I like. That's what I'm comfortable in. That's what I think is beautiful on me. You have to think about you. Like what vibe do you want to give off? Do you want to give off like a cool, sporty vibe, like a relaxed tone? Do you want to give off like a very fashionista look? Are you more like Afrocentric and you want to give off those Afrocentric vibes, or like 70s look, gothic look, very like elegant, classy look? Whatever it is that's you, focus on that first and then kind of expand from there. Once you figure that out, you can start researching. You can go into like Pinterest or Instagram or even, you know, Google and you can type in classy, elegant look or clean, minimalistic style, and it'll come up with a ton of images. I know a lot of people will say, well, who's your fashion icon? I'm like, I don't have a fashion icon. There's nobody that when I see them, I'm like, oh wow, I want to look like that. I prefer my looks to come off effortless And when I start mimicking like stuff I see in magazines, on runways, and on celebrities, I feel like I am trying way too hard, and it's hard and it doesn't look right on me. And so that's just not my preference. But if it's your preference, then type that in, and that'll lend you to a ton of different ideas. As you're scrolling and looking at different images, you can start thinking to yourself, ooh, I would wear that. That's something I would wear. Try to stay away from just going, ooh, that's cute, because something that's cute, you may not feel looks right on you. And there's nothing wrong with that. You know, don't feel bad about that. It's not everything you feel comfortable in. That's okay. But take a look around your environment. Look at the colors in your atmosphere, in your room, in your office. What colors are you naturally drawn to? Now, something that can be very helpful is to have a color theme. There are certain colors that you might be drawn to, but you might be drawn to a certain tone or a certain shade of that particular color. For me personally, I don't like to wear yellow. It does suit my skin complexion and it does make me look very bright. I get a ton of compliments, but there are only certain clothing combinations that I feel comfortable wearing yellow with. However, I think the color mustard is gorgeous. I feel comfortable in mustard. I feel beautiful in mustard. So I like something in the yellow family, but not the bright yellow. And with colors, there are so many different tones and shades that you really can be that specific, and figuring out what colors best suit your skin and what colors you feel the happiest in. Take a look at this color palette. This is like a fall color palette. So if I wanted to do a fall theme with my wardrobe, these are the colors that I would look for. Lots of wine and mustard and this emerald green. You can pair that up like you see with my room. I have some of those same fall colors, like the mustard. I have some greens, but I added a little bit of white to make it soft and to give it texture. But all of these colors are fall. And so you can do that with your clothing. Figure out which color scheme that you want to go with and which colors go best together so that you can start picking out pieces little by little. I suggest you always shop little by little. As you're buying these pieces, it's nice when the color schemes go together because you can get anything from anywhere and it'll match things in your closet. You can pair up anything and it'll work. So that is really important if you're looking to be able to do lots of mixing and matching. If you have like a capsule wardrobe, or if you're a minimalist, get a color scheme and make your life so much easier. I would look in my closet first, figure out what do I already have that I can kind of make resemble these pictures, and I'd wear them and take pictures of myself in them every day and figure out, how did I feel in this outfit? Did I like it? Was it cute? Did I get compliments? And as you're buying these small pieces, do that. Take pictures before you leave the house, take some shots, and then think about it when you get home. Okay, was this me? I know it looked good, but was I comfortable? Did people tell me I looked nice? Now, be careful with that too, because even for me, when I wear red, I get the most compliments. But I personally do not care for red. That is my least favorite color to wear. I can wear it in small bits. So I can have a blazer. I can get my nails in certain shades of red. I can wear certain red lipsticks, very, very particular about them. I usually have to mix a combination to get it to the red I like. But I don't have to follow anyone's rules. Don't get discouraged thinking just because this particular influencer or celebrity wears it like this, I have to wear it like this. This is how it's worn. No, that's just how they do it. You do whatever you want to do. If you want to wear green every single day, you can, and that is your look. When someone thinks of Sally, they think of her in a green outfit because she always wears green. That is your style. Like, you don't have to conform to anyone's rules. You do what makes you comfortable, what makes you happy every day. And also remember that you don't have to just have one style. I'm okay with knowing that my work style doesn't reflect my personal style. I'm okay with that. But I still wear things that, you know, I'm very happy in and I feel very good in. I think it's great if your personal style can be spread into all aspects of your life. Like, whatever you wear to work, you could wear it to a party, you could wear it to church, ideally. Now, not everything obviously, but if you do have some key pieces like some blazers, certain shoes, certain purses, or scarves or belts where you can interchange, that is ideal because you save so much money if your style can be transcended with your entire like actual lifestyle. If your lifestyle doesn't fit your style, that's going to be problematic. If you enjoy wearing elegant ballroom gowns and diamonds and pearls, but your day job is like mountain climbing, that doesn't work. Now you can definitely wear that when you get a chance, but you wouldn't want to spend all of your money on that kind of clothing if that's not what you're wearing the most. Now, like I said earlier, there is so much to say about finding your personal style that I could make 5 videos. There's just so much that goes into it. But one last thing that I want to leave you guys with is just knowing that it's okay for your style to change. There's nothing wrong with that. Don't let anyone or even yourself box you in terms of just evolving. I know when I was younger, there's certain clothing that I loved to wear, stuff that was, you know, probably considered more edgy or risque, and that's what I was just naturally attracted to. But as an adult, that's always going to be there, but at some point it became inappropriate. It was just inappropriate for the place that I am in my life, and that's okay. I just didn't even realize that I had other things that I was even more attracted to, and that's because I had never really explored it. But there's certain stuff that I'm always gonna love, like a little black dress. I love black, I love dresses. That's never gonna stop. I'm always gonna have tons of little black dresses, but that's part of my style. I'm always gonna have gold hoops or hoop earrings in general because I love hoops. This goes back to minimalism and only having things that you love. And there's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with holding on to who you are and what you love. As long as you're happy, as long as you feel comfortable, as long as your clothes are not collecting dust, then it's all good. So hopefully this video helped you guys if you guys were thinking about like, how do I start? Where do I start in figuring out how to find my own personal style? I hope this video was helpful. I know it was a lot of information, but I definitely want to hear from you guys. Let me know, how did you find your personal style? What is your personal style? Are you able to define it? Can you give me like adjectives that describe your own personal style? Let us know if you have any tips. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys spending your morning with me. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything else. And if you don't, I will see you guys in the next video. Big kisses to you all. Mwah. Peace, love, and light.